chili butter to serve over corn. It's what's for dinner. Fun fact, the green chilies found in canned green chilies are usually Anaheim. Rebel Canners teaching all kinds of food preservation, especially the old ways. And we all really need the old ways these days. This recipe makes about 1 1/4 pounds of chili butter. 1 pound of butter, slightly softened. 1/4 can of diced green chilies. 1/4 cup chopped fresh cilantro. Dash of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of lime juice. Blend all the ingredients together well. I like to use my blender. Cover it and put it in the refrigerator to make sure it sets back up. This is excellent over corn on the cob, any style. This should be stored in the refrigerator. If you want to mix this up in large batches, and freeze it, you should use 2 tablespoons of dried cilantro in place of the fresh cilantro. It will freeze better. This recipe pairs well with Mexican street corn. See the pinned recipe. Check out this entire playlist of spices you can make for yourself at home and break free of the grocery store Rebel Canners. Like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you never miss another episode.